If your lens is equipped with a vibration compensation system, you can adjust the VC operation mode in the tap-in utility. To do so, open the Miscellaneous tab from the Customization Setup panel. Now you can choose between 3 different VC operation modes, each of which prioritize either viewfinder or final image stabilization, or a mixture of both. This may sound a bit confusing, so what is the difference between prioritizing stabilizing the viewfinder or the final image? There can actually be quite a significant difference in the resulting image, and there is no right or wrong, it is purely preference. Viewfinder stabilization essentially means that once the shutter button is half depressed, after a brief delay, the viewfinder image is stabilized and the photographer gets a smooth and calm viewfinder while shooting. However, optimizing the vibration compensation for the final image will leave you without the viewfinder stabilization, but it will provide more efficient stabilization without any delay or starting time. Standard mode, which is the factory default setup, strikes a balance between the stability of the viewfinder image and the vibration compensation effect on the final image. This is a personal decision whether one or the other is more suitable for your own photography. Be aware of differences using VC between lens models. A lens with an on-off model can only be customized while in on mode. A lens with a mode 1 and 2 setting can only be customized in mode 1, since mode 2 is used for panning exclusively. A lens with 3 different VC modes can only be customized in mode 1.